Let us start, as we usually do, with the childhood and the reasons for doing what you do and becoming an actor.
When I was young, I never thought consciously of being an actor. One or two people said, "You have an ability here." But at school, no one encourages you to be an actor. I remember Stephen really engaged, really asked me about the theatre work I had done, the Royal Shakespeare work I had done. And then I got a request, would I put something on tape for the role of Armand Gert? And because I directed myself. Te perdono.
We're moving towards The English Patient, which is just 3 years indeed after Schindler's List. And what did you feel about that character?
Well, I loved that character. I completely loved his flinty, recessive, difficult, not coming forward, not easy persona. And Anthony Minghella wrote the most extraordinary screenplay.
Seems to be, was it at the time, that a lot of the best roles that were coming through were in period drama, do you think?
I don't know about the period thing. I always having this conversation, I'd like to do more stuff that's not, but sometimes people box it and say, oh, you do a lot of period drama. And, well, I can see that that's the case, but it's not because it's in period.
So, and of course, rumbling on under all of this is Harry Potter. You've been there right from the beginning. And who was to know until we got to the end that actually the whole story had really been not about Harry Potter, but about Voldemort?
I have to say, the proposal of being the Harry Potter, I was totally ignorant of Harry Potter. I didn't know the books, hadn't seen the earlier films, but then this approach was made about playing the key villain. And it was really Martha, my sister, said, oh, you must understand, this is huge, all the children, her children are into Harry Potter, you really have to take this seriously.